Most people will spend 40 years of their lives working and still retire with almost nothing to show for it. It's not because they didn't earn enough. It's not because they weren't smart enough. It's because of a small set of financial mistakes that almost nobody talks about. Mistakes so common, so normalized, that most people don't even realize they're making them. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 of the most dangerous financial mistakes people make. Mistakes that silently destroy wealth over time. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to fix each one. Stay until the end because mistake number 6 is one almost everyone is guilty of, and it's probably the most expensive one on this list. Mistake number 1, spending first, saving last. This is the default financial behavior for most people on the planet. You get paid, you cover your bills, you enjoy your life, and at the end of the month, if anything is left, you save it. The brutal truth? There is rarely anything left. The wealthy do the exact opposite. They save and invest first, the moment money arrives, and then live on whatever remains. This is called paying yourself first, and it is one of the simplest but most powerful financial habits you can build. Even saving just 10% of your income automatically before you touch it can transform your financial life over a decade. The amount matters less than the consistency. Start with whatever you can and increase it over time. Mistake number 2, having no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job losses happen. Medical bills arrive without warning. Cars break down. Roofs leak. And when these things happen without a financial cushion, most people do one of 2 things. They go into debt or they drain their savings entirely. Both set you back months, sometimes years. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses, kept in a separate, easily accessible account, not invested, not locked away. Just sitting there, waiting. It's not exciting. It doesn't grow fast. But it is the single most important financial safety net you can build. Without it, every unexpected event is a financial crisis. With it, it's just an inconvenience. Mistake number 3, carrying high-interest debt and treating it as normal. Credit card debt, personal loans, buy now, pay later schemes. These are among the most wealth-destroying forces in modern life. And yet millions of people carry them month after month, paying only the minimum, watching the balance barely move. Here's why that's so dangerous. A credit card charging 20% interest per year means every dollar you owe is actively working against you at 20% annually. Meanwhile, the stock market historically returns around 8 to 10% per year. You cannot out-invest high-interest debt. Paying it off is literally the highest guaranteed return available to you. The fix: list all your debts, highest interest rate first. Attack the top one aggressively while making minimum payments on the rest. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next one. This is called the avalanche method, and it saves the most money. Mistake number 4, letting inflation silently eat your savings. Most people think saving money in a bank account is safe. And in one sense it is. The number doesn't go down. But here's the problem. Inflation means that every year the same amount of money buys you less. If inflation is running at 5% and your savings account earns 1%, you are losing 4% of your purchasing power every single year, quietly, invisibly, without a single alarming notification. Over 20 years, this silent erosion can destroy a significant portion of your wealth. The solution is to make sure your money grows at least as fast as inflation. That means moving beyond a basic savings account into instruments such as index funds, treasury bonds, real estate, or other investments that have historically outpaced inflation. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. Mistake number 5, waiting for the right time to invest. I'll start investing when the market calms down. I'll start when I have more money. I'll start after the election, after the economy stabilizes, after I pay off this debt. Sound familiar? The problem with waiting for the perfect time is that it never comes. And every year you wait is a year of compound growth you can never get back. Here's a powerful example. Someone who invests $200 a month starting at age 25 will have roughly $525,000 by age 65, assuming a 7% annual return. Someone who waits just 10 years and starts at 35 ends up with around $243,000, less than half, despite only missing 10 years. Time in the market beats timing the market. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Mistake number 6, the one I promised you, lifestyle inflation. This is the silent killer of wealth. Here's how it works. You get a raise. Instead of investing the extra money, you upgrade your apartment, buy a better car, eat at nicer restaurants, and take more expensive holidays. Your income goes up, but your savings rate stays the same, or gets worse. This happens to almost everyone, at every income level. People earning $30,000 are broke. People earning $300,000 are broke, because spending always rises to meet and exceed income. The antidote is simple, but requires discipline. Every time your income increases, commit to saving or investing at least half of that increase before adjusting your lifestyle. Your future self will thank you in ways your current self cannot even imagine. Mistake number 7, relying on a single source of income. A job is a single point of failure. One decision from your employer, a layoff, a restructuring, a bad performance review, and your entire financial life is at risk. The most financially secure people in the world don't rely on one income stream. They build multiple: dividends from investments, rental income, a side business, digital products, freelance work, online content. You don't need to build all of these at once, but you should be actively building at least one additional income stream right now, no matter how small. A side income of even $200 a month gives you options, breathing room, and over time, real financial freedom. Diversifying your income is not just a wealth-building strategy. It's a survival strategy in an unpredictable world. So there you have it. 7 financial mistakes that keep people broke no matter how much they earn. Let's do a quick recap. Spending before saving. No emergency fund. Ignoring high-interest debt. Letting inflation destroy your savings. Waiting to invest. Lifestyle inflation. And depending on just one income. Avoiding even 3 of these mistakes puts you ahead of most people financially. If this video added value to your life, please hit the like button. It takes 2 seconds, and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And drop a comment below. Which of these 7 mistakes have you been guilty of? I read every single one.